Hey, this is Tyler. I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips that you can start implementing right away to outrank some of your competition online and really start bringing in more jobs for your business. So I have your Facebook page pulled up here, and it looks like you guys do some great work and offer some great solutions for homeowners, as far as roofing and siding and, storm restoration in general. And it looks like you guys are servicing many different areas, which is huge, right? There's a lot of opportunity there. But I wanted to talk about, again, a couple of things to kind of grow and to kind of dominate those areas that you're in. So if I come over here to your website, first things off, it's a great layout. The video is great. And, all these sponsorships and different things like accolades here are great. People love that. But there's no phone number, right? There's no phone number. There's no form that I can fill out as a customer. I want to be able to get on here as a customer and, find the information I need right away. I don't want to have to click on a bunch of different tabs and get lost. And you should want that for your customers as well. So there really should be a phone number that can be clickable on mobile right here. There should be a form that I can fill out and, request more information as well. But the pictures are great. It looks like you guys do some awesome work. And, building off from there will make a world of difference. So I'm going to pull up a report of your website in a tool I utilize called Ahrefs, and it's just going to show some data of your site. So here it is, and basically what we're going to take a look at are the keywords that your site is ranking for on Google, all right? And then we'll talk about the backlinks of your site a little bit as well. So if I hit these keywords, I'm going to see all these different keywords that Google, is showing for your site. And there's not many that I think would really benefit you guys as far as, a customer going to Google and looking for like a roofer or, siding replacement or storm damage, anything like that. So we want, buyer intent keywords, which are keywords that, again, people would go onto Google and type in to find companies like yours. All right. So, for example, you guys obviously do roofing and then you service the Des Moines area in Iowa. And if I hit roofing Des Moines, Iowa in here into Google, I'm going to number one see, Google guaranteed section. I'm going to see an ad section, and then I'm going to see the map pack and the organic section. Now, to get to this map pack, all right, first things first, we need to make sure we have our Google listing set up and optimized. Okay. I haven't checked to see if you guys had it, so I can do that really quick. Encompass Builders here. And let's see if we can find it. So I'm going to come over here to Google. We'll type that in. Got encompassbuilders.com. All right, let's see if we can maybe type in the phone number with it because I'm not seeing it there. And this could be part of the problem too if we don't have a Google listing set up. So I'm not seeing it there. So let's do Encompass Builders Iowa. There we go. All right, so there is, let's see if this is me. Yep, this is you guys. Perfect. So first things first, and I'm hoping you have these in multiple locations since, you obviously are in those locations. But here's our Iowa one. We want to make sure that we optimize this with pictures, with our information, our business hours, phone number, address, making sure that's correct across the web. We want to make sure that there's a description here. We want to add more reviews. So doing all of that, plus a lot of other back-end stuff that you can do to optimize it, we're going to show up here into this map pack section. All right. And, when customers are looking for roofers and they come to this map pack, they see, the 4 or 5 star reviews, they see the phone number right away, they see the website, they see directions, and that's all you need, right, to get a quote. If I'm a customer that needs a quote for roofing, I got 3 right here, 3 top companies in quotations there, top companies, because Google's showing them, right? Why else would I need to hit the view all button? Why would I need to come down here and hit the 2nd, 3rd, 4th page, right? I got the best companies right here. So it's pretty powerful to show up there. And again, doing that optimization with your listings is going to get you there. Now, to get into the organic section here, we want to increase the amount of keywords that Google is showing us for, right? So I talked about those buyer intent keywords. We want to do like roofing, Des Moines, Iowa, right? We want to do siding. We want to do storm damage. All those keywords related to your business and the services that you offer, we should be showing up for. All right, so one of the best ways to do that is to add more content because Google loves content. All right, content is king, and we want to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words onto this homepage, and then we want to create service pages for all those different services that you guys provide, and add in about 500 to 1,000 words for those pages. Okay, and Google loves to send people to relevant information, which is why content is so important. So if you have that relevant information on your site, Google's going to rank you accordingly, and we're going to show up into this organic section here. Okay, so make sure that we pay attention to content, right? That we optimize our Google listing, and then on top of that, we're adding quality backlinks. Now I'm going to talk about that really fast. I'm not going to go into it in too much detail, but I'll show you this report here. So you guys have 29 sites that are pointing back to you, okay, because a backlink is just a link from one site to another. So you have 29 sites, 117 backlinks. And this is kind of like how trusted and powerful Google sees your site, right? So if we kind of compare you guys with one of these sites that's ranking #1 for the keyword roofing, Des Moines, Iowa, we're not going to do Better Business Bureau, but let's check out Andrew's Roofing here. All right, so because they're on the first page, we're going to grab their domain, we'll punch it in here, and we'll check them out. So looks like they only have 17 sites, okay, and 44 backlinks, but they could have some higher power backlinks. They could be more trusted, but let's take a look at the keywords, right? Because content, like I said, is one of the most important things. So take a look at these keywords. Yeah, right away, I mean, we see Des Moines roofing, roofing Des Moines, Iowa. Let's see, roofing Des Moines. Okay, so look at the search volume. 150 searches a month, 60 searches a month, 80 searches a month. Roof repair here, 150 searches a month. So people are searching for those services or those keywords, all right? And these guys are showing up into the top spots in Google for these keywords, which is why they're bringing traffic to their site. So you can see how powerful that content is and why it's important. So focus on the content. Focus on your Google listing and focus on those backlinks, and it's going to set you apart. You're going to be able to dominate all of those different areas that you guys service. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'd love to learn more about your business and see how we can maybe help you out. All right, have a good one.